Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, saya Syahda Revolis dengan NIM 22042326 Ilmu Administrasi Negara dengan mata kuliah Governansi Digital. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan PPT yang telah saya ringkas dari jurnal yang diberikan mengenai From Digital Government to Digital Governance. Oke. From digital government to digital governance. Are we there yet? First, what is a big data? Big data is essential in various industries, including business, healthcare, finance, and government, as it enables organizations to make informed decisions, predict trends, and optimize operation. The analysis of big data involves advanced analytic technique, machine learning, and predictive modeling to extract valuable insight from the vast amount of information. Big data involves massive amounts of data, often measured in terabytes, petabytes, or even exabytes. The sheer volume of data is a defining feature, making it challenging to handle with traditional software tools. Purpose of big data. Big data aims to integrate the heart separate digital, physical, and biotechnological sector of knowledge generation. Nevertheless, how this integration occurs and becomes useful depends on the epistemic status of the technologies that are used within this context. As pointed out by Simons and Alvarado, the authors explain this issue by introducing path complexity as a concept, analyzing big data with software program necessarily involve writing conditional. And for big data, the numbers of conditional statements and the corresponding codes increase exponentially, leading the number of paths to be tested to vastly increase. The knowledge problem has three options. 1. Hayek mentioned the knowledge problem in his Nobel Memorial Prize lecture in 1974 by giving an explicit explanation of why economics is not like physics and what kind of consequence this observation has. 2. While for physics everything that is relevant is directly observable and measurable, it is not the same for economics, which deals with complex market phenomena. Second, he emphasized the economic general make very general prediction, but cannot generate concert result due to the fact that unlike physical science, economic has to deal with essential complexity. 3. The Nobel Memorial Prize lecture of Higher Main Stobes-Fulsaur Severbot understanding the limitation of economic models and their possible consequence for policy making, as observed by Carson and Coyne. Hayek work Hayek Ward emphasized that economic planning means getting rid of the market process and replacing it with the political power and process. Kok nge-lag? The knowledge problem and digital government. Interpretation of the knowledge problem in the Iran context remain on the agenda of the Australian Evolutionary Economic School of Thought. The contribution of Rizzo and Whiteman, Pascal Kirchner, and Lehman were Smith and Erkut are four relevant approaches which have discussed the knowledge problem. Pascal analyzed the knowledge problem by pointing to the fact that we are a new age of central planning in which large corporate entities collect big data to influence people live in various ways. The author focused on the Iran vision of the relation between power and large technology. Cooperation and state the law can act as a way of balancing and neutralizing the power of this large corporation when and where needed. Concluding remarks and future research. 1. Digital government as a process consists of the design and use of digital government, digital business issue, and digital democracy. This multifaceted process goes beyond the mere concept of providing government service digitally. It tries to change the nature of establishing and running a business as well as the democratic representation of people. Nevertheless, the process has its own limits. 2. Revisiting the knowledge problem of economic considering the recent technological development shows that the pretense of knowledge problem exists as before, but the potential intervention space of government has expanded immensely due to the integration of the hitherto separate digital, physical, and biotechnological sector of knowledge generation. Thank you. Baik, sekian materi, sekian penjelasan dari saya mengenai from digital government to digital governance. Mohon maaf bila ada salah kurang. Saya tutup. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.